up, man? This the whole damn place is all changed, man. All right, how you doing, man? This place is so hot, man. We just got dressed. Damn! What time is it? Come on, man. This whole damn brown zinc. We are brown zinc. I hate Africa. I hate this country. I hate everywhere. Damn! Damn, how are you? Pretty. Yeah, afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Wow.
Oh, your dog is cute too.
Thank you so much.
What's his name?
Oh, they call him Ryder.
Ryder.
Yeah, come on.
I love dogs. Like I love them.
Wow.
Well, can I touch me your dog?
No problem. But you know what?
What?
Are you gonna be my girl?
No, there's no problem.
Serious.
Thank you.
I'm serious.
Oh my-
Wow. Let's take a selfie. Bro, excuse me. Just give us a selfie. Okay, you know what?
What?
Get my shit on, man.
Okay.
Take my shit, man. Let me take my shit.
True, man. This dog sharp. Ha!
It's a fine phone.
Watch this one. Hey! Jesus. That cheap dog.
Hey, man, nigga. Hey, man, nigga.
Jesus! Jesus!
My dog.
Jesus!
What's going on, man?
See you. They do American for Port. You know it's not Port Harcourt to it. They play. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Damn you.